I'm sure you have these great plans in your mind. You want to learn how to sew, or you want to learn how to create patterns so you'll be able to make your own garments. But you're thinking in your mind, where on earth do I start from? Do I need a sewing machine? What kind of fabrics will I be working with? Will I learn how to fix zipper? Learning how to sew can be a bit overwhelming, right? I know. That is why I put this video together. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 things to know before learning how to sew. 5 things to know before learning how to sew. I'm going to be showing you step by step the things you need, where you start from, and what to learn. So if you want to learn, make sure you watch this video till the end. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, share it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Omotola Olaniomoshebi. I'm the current creative director at Jimoti Fashion and Style Academy. At Jimoti Fashion and Style Academy, we empower women to become fashion entrepreneurs. And this that we're bringing to you today is powered by Jimoti Fashion Online Academy. It is a community where we teach people, we teach new beginners, we teach sewers like you the tricks, the tips, and all you need to know about starting your fashion journey. So today, like I said, we are going to be talking about 5 things that you need to know before learning how to sew. So the first thing, let's clear it. And please know, there is no magic, there is no film trick. You need a sewing machine. You need to have a sewing machine to sew your garments. You want to learn how to use the sewing machine. You still need to practice with a sewing machine. So the first thing you need before you start learning is a sewing machine. You can borrow from a friend. You can use and pay monthly. You can rent. You can probably buy if you can afford it. You can start with the basic sewing machine. So you don't need to break a bank to get a sewing machine. What you need is just a tool to work with. As you are practicing your sewing, you should learn how to sew. So what I'm saying in essence is just get a sewing machine that you can afford right now. Number 2, you need a space. You can actually create a space at home. Your dining table can work. Create something that is very easy to set up and also to pack. So if it's very difficult for you to set up your working space, trust me, you're not going to be encouraged to always work. So you need something that is very easy to set up and also pack up when you finish working. But if you can leave it permanently, that's fine. But if you don't have enough space to live permanently for your sewing, just create something, be creative about it. You can put out your machine, learn what you want to learn, pack it and keep it away. So you need a space. Number 3, you might want to go and check your clothes that you have at home right now. You also need to learn from what you have. You want to start refashioning? You pick what you have already, your clothes. Check everything about it. What type of seam do you have on that clothes? What kind of lining did they put? What about the finishing? You need to check all these things because this is where you actually start from. You pick, learn from what you have already. How did they finish the zipper? What kind of facing did they use? Did they use a matching thread? All this information, you need to get them, and nobody's going to charge you for that. You already have your garment. What you need is to go inside, check what you have. How did they finish it? What type of fabric? What kind of lining? Okay, your zip is bad. Do you want to learn how to tack it? Those things are there already. What you need is to just go and look inside. Learn from what you have already. That's number 3. And this number 3, if you maximize it, it's going to help a great deal, because you're going to see different types of finishing. More so, all your garments are not from one store, not from one designer. You get your garment from different designers, so you have different types of finishing. If you're learning from one person, you're going to get information from that one person, but now you have different garments from different designers, different types of finishing, different types of sewing. So you need to go and look inwards. Number 3, refashioning. So the next one is number 4. Number 4, you need a sewing mentor. Yes, you need a mentor. You need to leverage on that platform. There are people that are already in this business that you are planning to go into. You might want to learn from them, and it's going to help you. What have they done? What are the challenges? What have they been able to achieve? You know anyone that is doing what you want to do. They're already into that business that you are thinking of going into. You need to search them out. You can read about them online. You might need to stop them. Like, check everything that they are doing. How are they doing it? What are they doing? How did they get to where they are? You need all these things to help you start your own journey. So like I said, you can search them online, or you look for them offline. Learn to have a mentor. It's a great platform. So you don't need to go through what they went through. You can make your journey faster by getting a mentor. Number 5, you need to learn the basics. Learning the basics is what Jimoti Fashion Online Academy is all about. That is what this platform is all about. We're going to be giving you the basic things that you need to help your fashion career. So number 5, you need to learn the basics. How to create patterns, how to sew your garments, tips and tricks. We're going to be dropping them for you. So you want to start your sewing career? Let's go. Make sure you check our next video. We're going to be showing you the sewing tools that you need as a beginner. There are things you need to start your journey with. There are some things that you don't need on the immediate as a beginner. So our next video is all about sewing tools for beginners. Make sure you watch our video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Remember, if you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe.